Don't even record me.
I'm not. You're getting work.
You got 10 points inside me. Want to exit? Place one hand above your mouth and wait the other one in my direction. I'll stop the ride as soon as possible. Thank you.
No hands on the mouth.
Hands on the mouth. On the mouth?
If you want to stop it.
Hey, I'm gonna put your hand down.
Woo!
Oh my god!
Woo! Oh damn! Hands up, babe, hands up!